So this is my overview video about SAFMEDS. So for this course, for SAFMEDS, I did 3 adjustments in my study intervention. The first adjustment, it was to make paper cards for Deck 1, for Deck 2, and for Deck 3. Paper cards are the same as the SAFMED cards, but I do it in paper, and it's easy for me to memorize the concepts, and I can study them in any place. Like I take my SAFMED cards with me. And I can do the same with the app or with SAFMEDs like in my phone, but I found it's easier for me to memorize in using the paper cards. And I also do the highlighting the keywords that help me to recognize the concept faster. The second study adjustment I did was including mock tests in my study time. So the mock test, it was me setting a 30 seconds timer and do the study mode. But I just have 30 seconds to pass each card. So that was like a baseline for me for before running the real trials. I include like 1, 2, or 3 mock tests, depending on how difficult was the deck. I include 3 mock tests. And the last adjustment I did was comparative charts, and that was for Deck 3. Deck 3 is definitely the most difficult one for me. I confused the terms, and I had that feeling that I was just memorizing or like just guessing without understanding, and that was making me difficult to with the Excel data, and it was difficult to improve my Excel data, and what I was improving, it was my diesel data. So I did comparative charts for me to understand better the concepts, and it definitely helped me for Deck 3. And for my goals, I reached my goals for this course. Basically, I reviewed the goals that I set for the last course in my signature assignment, and I reviewed them before I start this course, and definitely I have achieved all the goals I had for ABA 622. So I'm happy and I'm kind of proud, but also it makes me realize I need to find other study strategies to apply for the next course, because for this course the concepts were more difficult, and like for example Deck 3 is like it's been so hard. So I believe for the next courses I will find things like that, like that I need to do things different, so I will understand them and I will reach my aim for the other decks. So yeah, just as conclusion, these were my 3 adjustments for the study intervention for SAFMEDS for this course, and I reached my goals of manage my timing better, like to complete all the assignments in time. I take care of my health too, and it's been a great course. So yeah, thank you.